Right, hey guys, it's Mango Ops Airsoft here again, and today I'm doing an unboxing video of some stuff I just got from Evike, so let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, in total this cost me about $300, and it's just a bunch of miscellaneous stuff from gear to accessories for my GMP. Alright, the first thing we have here is a Condor 1-point sling. Alright, mag for my M4. Some Tenergy CR123A 3-volt batteries. A sling adapter right there, and a G&G foregrip. Okay, this is a AIM green laser, which is strange because that's not what I ordered. This is a roly-poly dump pouch. Another mag, that over there. A hat. Nifty. More batteries. Seems like those broke off. Okay. This is the Matrix Tactical Systems CROS, which is really nice. From my first perspective, some of the Evike $1 playing cards. A gun bag. A little patch thing there, which is smaller than I was expecting. Some order information, you don't need to see that. And a little Punisher patch. And one of these things that they send with all the orders. So, if you guys want to see a review on any of the things I got, just let me know in a comment, and I'll be glad to do it. So, that's it. See you later.